if I'm ripping out a normal seam, a traditionally sewn seam, not one with all these really short stitches, what I would do would be to use my seam ripper, and I would rip, you know, I would like cut like every fourth stitch or so, then I would pull the string on the back side, and that would tear out the seam. Well, because our stitches are so tiny, because we had to make those little small stitches because we're sewing through paper, it's really hard to get a seam ripper in there. So that doesn't work very well to do it that way. What works a little bit easier, I'm going to start here at the end where I ended, is to kind of pull on that paper a little bit, and you can kind of see the stitches here. I could put the seam ripper in there and pull, rip and pull, rip and pull. And I found that this works fine. There's another little tip for that. If you use the foot of your machine as a third hand to hold that, you can get in there and just do that.